Today, I am going to speak about World Wildlife Day observed every year on March 3. This day was proclaimed by the United Nations to raise awareness about the importance of wildlife across the world. World Wildlife Day reminds us that wildlife is not just about animals in the forest. It includes plants, birds, insects, and marine life. Plants and microorganisms that together maintain the balance of nature. Theme of World Wildlife Day 2026 focuses on protecting wildlife for sustainable development and future generations. This theme highlights how wildlife conservation supports food security, climate stability, clean air and water for all living beings. But why is wildlife important? Wildlife plays a very important role in maintaining ecological balance. For example, trees provide oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide. Bees help in pollination that supports agriculture. Forest animals maintain the balance of food chain. Marine life keeps ocean ecosystems healthy. Without wildlife, human survival would also be in danger.
Today, wildlife is facing many serious threats: deforestation, poaching and illegal hunting, climate change, pollution, habitat destruction. Many species are becoming endangered. For example, animals like tiger, elephant and rhinoceros are under due to human activities.
To protect the wildlife, we need to plant more trees and stop deforestation, control pollution and spread awareness about wildlife conservation, eco-friendly farming and sustainable impurities. Even small actions like saving water and electricity can help us to reduce the pressure on the natural resources.
Advantages of wildlife conservation: it maintains ecological balance, supports tourism and economy, provides medicines from plants, ensures food security through pollination and soil health. It also protects the biodiversity for future generations. If we ignore wildlife conservation, food chains will be disturbed, natural disasters may increase, climate change effects may worsen, many species may go extinct, human health and economy will also suffer. Remember, once a species becomes extinct, it can never be brought back. Wildlife is not separate from us. We are part of nature. Every living being has a right to live on this planet. Let us promise to respect animals, protect wildlife, and reduce pollution. Together, let us build a greener, safer, and more sustainable world. On this World Wildlife Day 2026, let us remember to protect wildlife today for a better tomorrow.